What if you could have all the flavors of your favorite Italian sub without the bread? Let me show you this sub in a tub. You are going to love it. Let's get started with some shredded iceberg lettuce into a bowl. Let's get some cherry tomatoes that we've halved. And now let's start measuring with our heart. We want some banana peppers. We want some Grillo pickle spears. My heart says I want a lot. Some thin red onion. Now let's get some salami down on a cutting board and let's put some pepperoni on top of that. Let's get some thick turkey. And we're going to use our chopping skills from when we made our chopped Italian sandwiches, if you remember. Let's get some thick ham, some provolone cheese, some Colby Jack, and then let's give this a good chop. We want to chop it into bite-sized pieces. And this was really pretty easy to cut through. Definitely saved time from doing each one individually. I highly recommend. And then we're going to get this all put into our bowl. And then let's get started on making our dressing. Let's start with 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 of a cup of red wine vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of the banana pepper juice, and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I like to use that. If you don't have it, just use regular Italian seasoning. Now give this a good mix. We're going to have plenty of dressing. So as you're pouring it in, just depending on how much lettuce and how much meat you have, you may not need all of that dressing. So just keep that in mind. Give it a good mix now to combine. This is so delicious. Here we have it. Now, if you don't have a tub, just empty out your Grillo pickle spears container. Put that sub in your tub. Take it with you to the beach, to the pool, wherever you want to go. This is portable. You are going to absolutely love this. I can't wait till you try it. Let me know what you think.